A fiber optic cable is a network cable designed to transmit voice, video, or data information over a glass fiber strand. Now, fiber cable is used to transmit signals over longer distances and at a much faster rate than your traditional copper network cabling. Single-mode fiber cables come in a variety of connector types: SC, FC, ST, LC, and MTRJ. Now, single-mode fiber cables have a diameter of 9/125 microns and can transmit data up to 50 times farther than multi-mode fiber cables. They can easily be identified by their yellow jackets. With its small core, single-mode cables are virtually immune to electrical interference. This makes single-mode cables the ideal fiber cable for ISPs and other high-speed carriers that need to provide connectivity over long distances. This is an FC to FC single-mode duplex fiber cable. It features two FC connectors on one end and two FC connectors on the other end. An FC connector uses a push-and-turn locking system. FC connectors are threaded like an F-type coaxial connector. It is available in lengths from 1 to 15 meters. Our single-mode FC to FC fiber cables are OS1 rated and have a riser-rated PVC jacket. For all your fiber cable needs, choose Show Me Cables.